Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel Dreamers Blog, and today I am back with another YouTube video. It's the Ayu Ting Ting. It's like a cover video, and they attach something Hindi song. You guys told me in the comment section. I have no idea what this song about, but this song about Ayu Ting Ting, of course. So before further ado, we have to check this video first. 1, 2, 3, and play.
भीगी भीगी सड़कों पे मैं तेरा इंतजार करूं, धीरे धीरे दिल की ज़मीं को तेरे ही नाम करूं, खुद को मैं यूं खो दूं कि फिर ना कभी पाऊं, हौले हौले जिंदगी को अब तेरे हवाले करूं। सनम रे सनम रे, तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे। सनम रे सनम रे, तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे। करम रे कोई ऐसा करम हुआ रे। सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे। बादलों की तरह ही तो तूने मुझ पे साया किया है, बारिशों की तरह ही तो तूने खुशियों से भिगाया है, आंधियों की तरह ही तो तूने होश को उड़ाया है। मेरा मुक़द्दस वारा है यूं, नया सवेरा जो लाया है तू। तेरे संग ही बिताने हैं मुझको मेरे सारे जन्म रे। सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे। सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे। करम रे कोई ऐसा करम हुआ रे। सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे। भीगी भीगी सड़कों पे मैं तेरा इंतजार करूं, धीरे धीरे दिल की ज़मीं।
तो भाई साहब, actually it's a edited video, but the fully credit goes to Tono Ashley Lasbuma. This is the official YouTube channel where I picked that video, so make sure support original video. I will put original video link in description. And by the way guys, I have something to ask to you guys. Ayu Ting Ting, we all know about Ayu Ting Ting and Shahir Sheikh. I am from India, by the way. Saya Vitari, India. And we all know about Ayu Ting Ting and Shahir Sheikh. But I'm really happy she is girlfriend of this guy or wife of this guy. Ayu Ting Ting ma'am still in a relationship, or she married with that guy, or that guy is he policeman or army man, because his dressing sense, I mean his dress look like he's policeman or in big post. So because of his personality, and his personality, by the way, nice, more nice than Shahir Sheikh. Shahir Sheikh just actor, but that guy also have a personality. Even he is from Indonesia, and Indonesian people are very good. I know about that. And also I reacted on Veena Fan and Veena Fin. When they act on any song, the boys also look like Shah Rukh Khan, even act like Shah Rukh Khan. So I am really feel lucky that I would really am happy with him. Or it's like an act. So please tell me in the comment section what is the name of that guy. And editing is really nice because of song. Hindi, it's a Hindi song, and Indonesian people like Hindi songs. So I really feel happy for that. And also I also enjoy that music video because of IOTV ma'am. And another one is song is like so catchy. Bigi bigi palko mein main तेरा इंतजार करो भाई साहब. Song is really nice. So terima kasih for telling me this video, and also please support original video, link in description. Support that original one, and also subscribe Tono actually Las Buma, and also subscribe us. See you next video guys. Hope you like my reaction. If you really like, then hit subscribe, share that video, like everything I ask you many times, so it's nice. Bye bye guys.